You would be mistaken if you believe that luxury could not be brought along on the journey. The Rolls Royce Motorhome, which will be released in 2026, reimagines what it means to travel in elegance. This video tour demonstrates an extravagant combination of cutting-edge technology, superior craftsmanship, and unparalleled comfort, all of which are carried out on wheels. The motorhome embodies the trademark elegance that is associated with Rolls-Royce from the very beginning. The exterior is streamlined and polished, and it features a bespoke design that mixes parts of the iconic Rolls-Royce elegance with elements of technological innovation. It's not simply a recreational vehicle, it's a mobile mansion. Upon inside, the encounter takes on an even more bizarre quality. Handcrafted wood paneling, ambient lighting, and ultra-plush seats with massage and recline functions are all characteristics that may be found in the communal living space. Every nook and cranny gives the impression of being painstakingly crafted for relaxation and pleasure. The kitchen is on par with those seen in five-star hotels, featuring marble countertops, cutting-edge appliances, and a smart control system that can be synchronized with your phone. Equally impressive is the bedroom, which features a full-size bed, lighting that can be customized, and even a vanity mirror that is concealed from view. What about the restroom? There are high-end features that would not be out of place in a penthouse suite, such as heated floors, a rainfall shower, and other luxurious amenities. This recreational vehicle is distinguished not only by its high level of craftsmanship, but also by the seamless blending of comfort and innovation. The temperature, lighting, security, and entertainment can all be controlled with only a few clicks, thanks to the intelligent features. In addition to having clear images, seamless transitions, and commentary that heightens the feeling of amazement, the film itself is shot in a very attractive manner. It is imperative that you watch this tour, regardless of whether you are a travel enthusiast, a car fanatic, or simply inquisitive about the design of ultra-luxury automobiles. In conclusion, the Rolls Royce Motorhome, which is scheduled to be released in 2026, is not merely lavish. Rather, it is a forward-thinking statement about the future of luxury travel. Be prepared to be blown away.